Okay, so you probably already know what these things are, right? They're Philips Hue smart lights. I've got a couple of bulbs, I've got a light strip at the back of the desk, I've even made a couple of videos showing what you can do with them. But now there's something new, and it's called Philips Hue Sync. I'm going to show you how it works and why it is seriously awesome. But first of all, full disclosure, I am partnering with Philips Hue on this video. It is a sponsored video, but before you run away and click off the video and tell me how much you hate me in the comments, just bear with me because this is seriously cool. Let me show you. So this is the new Philips Hue Sync app. It works on Windows and Mac, so you can put it on your PC or your laptop. When I click Start Light Sync, it instantly matches what it's seeing on the screen. It can work for games, video, music, whatever you like. Now this isn't new necessarily. There were third-party apps in the past that could do things similar to this or things like this, but they never worked that well. There were delays, there were problems. This is a first-party application from Philips Hue and it is awesome. So right now, as you can see, we've got the purple background of my wallpaper. But if I bring up, say, a Chrome tab, you can see most of this is dark, but just see what happens when I scroll down. It matches the screen perfectly, and there's very, very little delay or lag at all. And you'll see just how well the lights react to what's going on screen. So why would you want this? Well, look at it. It just adds to the immersive factor, whether you're going to watch a movie or play games, which I'll show you in a second. It gives you that sort of ambient surround, I was going to say surround sound, but surround lighting experience. So it really helps you get more engaged with what you're watching and just gives you that little bit extra. But I'm going to jump from video to games. The light sync's already active, and then I'm going to load up Abduction, which I've got here. If you've not played this, this is the same guys who made the Myst series. It's like a sci-fi adventure game, and it's beautiful. It's a stunning looking game and a great way of showing off this light sync technology. So as you can see, as I'm just walking around, the lights are subtly matching the colors on the screen. And it's really interesting to see the contrast in colors. So if I look upwards, we get this sort of purple sky, which is really cool. Or if we look towards the mountains, we get a combination of the sort of purpley orange look. It's not something you necessarily concentrate on, which I think is the important thing. But if you do want something a little bit more intense, you can jump out of that, go back to the Hue Sync and click on the intense mode, as it says on the tin. And what that does is just give you a little bit more of a quicker reaction and make the lights match the colors just a bit faster and more vividly. So as I walk around, it's still matching what's going on, still looks really good, but it's just a little bit quicker. So we've got this nice purple for the towel on the left, we've got a blue for the one on the right. As I move forward, you can see that matching so fast. There's almost no delay in that at all. It's really, really smooth. Personally, I do prefer keeping it in moderate mode. Intense can be a little bit flashy sometimes, but it's completely up to you. You do have the option. And this will also work on your big screen TV. You can use your laptop or your PC to Chromecast, Mirrorcast, or Apple Play content to the TV, or you can plug in a good old-fashioned HDMI cable and then watch movies, listen to music, or play games on your big screen TV and have the same effect. But also, it works with music. Jump back into the app, I can go to music, and as it plays, it is reacting to the music. I've done this with a whole bunch of songs on my Spotify, through YouTube, and it is really good at getting the beats, the drops, the music, really, really on point. So the setup is really easy. Just go into your Hue app on your phone or tablet, go to the settings menu, and then tap to create a new entertainment area. Select which one of your rooms you want to set it up in, and then check the lights that you want to include. Then you just simply position your lights around the room on the app relative to where they are in the real world, by your TV or monitor and your seating position. And you can then test this area when you're done. So all you need for a setup like this is some Philips Hue lighting, whether it's the bulbs, the Hue Go lamps, the light strips, whatever you like. You can just have one if you prefer, as well as a Philips Hue bridge, the V2 version of the bridge, the app on your phone so you can create the entertainment area, and then download the Philips Hue Sync desktop app for your Windows or Mac PC or laptop. And that's it. It's super simple. Anyone can do it, even me, so you shouldn't have any problem at all. I've put links in the description below to everything you need for this, including some lighting examples and also a link to the desktop app. And I'd love to hear what you make of this. Do you think it adds to the immersive factor? Do you think it's annoying? Let me know what you think in the comments below. A big thanks to Philips Hue for sponsoring this video. And if you did enjoy it, do click that like and subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time right here on the Tech Chap.